Hello and welcome back. So we have this issue of image create from JPEG. This function had a problem because not a JPEG file. So this is not a problem. We just have to add Png support, and we do that from here. So here there's a specific function that says image create from JPEG, but sometimes the file is not a JPEG, it could be a PNG. So what we will do is to ask the question first, what is the file extension? So I'm just going to say extension is equal to, we're going to use path info to get the file extension. So say path info like this, and the path is the original file name, that one there. And then we must tell it to just get, if we don't tell it that, it will get the base name, etc, etc. But I just want the file extension, so I'll just say extension like that. Okay, so path info extension, so this will be the file extension in there. So I want it to be a lowercase, so I'll just say string to lower, because sometimes the file extension is in capital letters, so that may cause some confusion when checking to see if it's a specific type. So I'll say if extension is equal to, let's say JPG, or the extension is equal to JPEG, same thing. So this is when we know that it's a JPEG. Okay, so I'm going to add that in there, and then I will put an else statement here and say else if. So let's do another if statement here, copy that and put it here. So instead of JPEG we'll have PNG, so let's do PNG, and then we'll come here. Okay, yeah, otherwise we will, I think else we should just return, because we shouldn't continue if it's none of these. Okay, now you can add a GIF as well, no problem, that can work as well. So here we'll say, let me just duplicate this so we can add a GIF as well, because it's not that big of a deal. So let's do this, and let's add GIF like so, or GIF, I don't know, paste there like so. Okay, so now we need a different function depending on the situation. So image from JPEG, that's okay. There's also image from PNG, there we go, that's a real function there. And also image from GIF, that's a real function like that. Okay, so once we have that, this is cool, where everything is all good now. Let me just copy this, and I will go to my other section as well for cropping, which is right here. So I will replace that with this. Now you may also want to change that part depending on the type, because this is when we are saving the image. We can save to image JPEG or image PNG or image GIF. But in my case, I want to just save every thumbnail into a JPEG. That's so I'll just leave it as it is. So let's give it another shot and see what other errors we get. So refresh that. Let's see if things is good. Okay, it's taking a while. Maybe that's good news, maybe that's bad news. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, it's taking forever. So we have another error here saying image create from GIF is not a valid GIF file. Okay, so why is it going to GIF? I think I may have forgotten to change things. Maybe? Where did I? Extension GIF. Image create from PNG. Okay, sorry, this is my bad. I swapped these two, right? So let me move this here. Let me move this there. Ugh, look at that. Okay, so let's do that again on the other side. GIF should be here. PNG must be here. Too much in a hurry. So refresh, and there we go. Nice. Now the problem is we can't see our images here, and I think I have an idea as to why. So if I go to the view, excuse me, these are the views, and I just want to view posts. I think that's because I added upload somewhere. Uploads. So where is this? Where is the image being shown? Let's see, right there. So since I added uploads in the controller, so I don't need to add it here. That's because here in the admin controller, you see that when I'm creating the thumbnail, I add that uploads to the file name. So the returned value still has uploads. But now you can see that it's working fine. This is a thumbnail version. If I right click and say inspect, I should see a thumb at the end. See that? And you see the resolution is 600 by 600 of the image. So our image cropper is working very, very well. Okay, so good here. It means we are done with our admin section. The only part remaining is the main dashboard here, but we will put stuff here right at the end. For now, we want to go to the main page and do something about this, so we can actually show some actual posts here. I'll see you in the next video.